Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video about how to trade cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become one of the most popular investment opportunities in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. With high volatility and the potential for significant returns, trading cryptocurrency can be an exciting way to grow your wealth. First things first, before you begin trading cryptocurrency, you need to have a basic understanding of what it is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses encryption techniques to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds. It operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity. Once you have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, the next step is to choose a platform to trade on. There are many different cryptocurrency exchanges available, but some of the most popular ones include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Each exchange has its own unique features and fees, so it's essential to do your research and find one that meets your needs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This typically involves providing personal information such as your name, address, and government-issued ID. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into it and begin trading. Before you start trading, it's essential to have a plan. Cryptocurrency is known for its volatility, so it's crucial to have a strategy in place to manage your risk. One popular strategy is to use stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your cryptocurrency if it falls below a certain price. This can help limit your losses and protect your investment. Another important factor to consider is the timing of your trades. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, so it's essential to keep an eye on market trends and news to identify potential opportunities. Some traders use technical analysis to analyze price charts and identify patterns that may indicate future price movements. Finally, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency industry. The market can be highly unpredictable, so it's essential to stay up to date on news and trends that may impact prices. In conclusion, trading cryptocurrency can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to approach it with caution and a solid strategy. By doing your research, choosing a reliable exchange, and staying informed about market trends, you can increase your chances of success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!